Hey everyone, it's Adam here. So, this is one of those videos that's actually not on the plan, the script. There we go, sorry. This completely blinded everyone. That's better. Had to turn the gain down a little bit. So this video is not really on the to-do list because I didn't expect it. But I went to YouTube last week as I was uploading a ton of videos, and I just glanced over and I saw total YouTube videos 1,010. There are people that get millions of views per video that don't have 1,000 uploads. It's almost the amount of uploads that you would think like a spammer would have. It's just so much. And you know, even if you go back to like everything kind of started in 2015 with the Golf R, but I've been a YouTuber since 2006, 2007 roughly. And don't worry, you guys, I totally encourage you to go back and check out some of those first videos. It is it's pretty bad. So there's 34 pages of YouTube videos under my dashboard, and the first one was uploaded March 13th of 2007. It's got 99,191 views, which, you know, is insane. And then I didn't do anything else for a full year. In May of 07 I uploaded another one, then June of 07, July, October, December, and then we were in 08. And yeah, it's just it's funny how much has happened over the years. Anyway, I know I'm going over. I'm starting to ramble a little bit, but 1,000 videos, and I just want to take a minute to thank you all for watching. I know that lately, you know, the R1200 GS is wrapping up, and I'll have a few mods due to the beta. I'll have a few more videos involving the K75, but the mod videos are going to drop significantly. Now, the snow is melting. It's still snowing outside right now, but once April 1st hits, which is going to be in like 5 days, we will have 5 days. We'll have a lot more riding videos, but these riding videos don't happen every day. Some of the riding videos are 1 minute long, things that I encounter on my way to work. A guy cuts me off and I curse him out, break some mirrors, that kind of stuff, property damage. There'll be a lot of Golf R videos in April, and then it'll kind of be rally season, and I'll just be doing videos as I have time. The focus during the summer is riding, so you won't get 5 videos a day. You'll get like 1 per week, 1 every 2 weeks, and that's just how it's going to be throughout the summer. I actually make less money in the summertime than I do in the wintertime, because in the summertime there are lifestyle vlogs, you know, things that I'm doing, versus things that people want to actually, like, they find via Google. So to the 11% of my viewers who are subscribers, thank you for subscribing. To the 90% of my viewers who are not subscribers, you won't have much to really watch from this channel until like November, December. So just kind of a heads up with that as far as the bike projects go. There's a possibility that I end up picking up a K1200S next month, but it's good to ride. It doesn't need any work except for the general maintenance, fluids and that kind of stuff. The K-bike still in progress. I actually just did the coolant on it tonight, so new hoses, new coolant hoses, all that kind of good stuff. And tomorrow I'll be doing the brake lines and the brake fluid flush. So, you know, it's still moving along. And the GS itself is done, except for a few stickers which I've ordered. And I'm also getting rid of the Touratech mirrors in favor of double take mirrors, and I'm also taking the Machine Art Moto Mudsling off and swapping that out for a Meyer Mudguard Mayer. But everything's great. So as far as April stuff goes, real quick before we get out of this scenario here, April is going to be a little, you know, small increase into the year as a whole. If you want to catch me at an event, here's where you can find me. So the JVB Tech Day in Alexandria, Virginia is April 20th. Check Adventure Rider for that. and then Frosty Nuts in Ascutney, Vermont, the Yankee Beamers event, which is April 26th to 28th. So I'll catch you there. And as always, guys, there's almost 6,000 of you watching these videos. Thank you so much. It's an honor that people tune in, so thank you. These are clips from the beta back in January and February. No, February. These are February clips on the beta. I rode a couple of days and it was above freezing. All right. Rock on, everyone. Ride safe. Be safe out there. Seriously. Be careful. Take some training and wear your gear. Bye, guys. Sorry, just one more thing. I'm thinking about doing not a meetup, but like a group ride maybe? Like a group ride with some food. And I was thinking like when and where are the best places to do this, since you all are so spread out. I was thinking about actually in Tennessee at the National MOA Rally doing an afternoon ride where people come and they I put out, here's where I'm going to be. This feels like so weird to do, but like I'm going to be here. We're going to go on a ride. It'll be kind of pavement and maybe some dirt, and no nobbies required, anything like that. But like we'll end up going to somewhere to eat afterwards, and it'll be just a great time to meet people. So if you're interested in that, I guess let me know. Email me or something, and maybe like June 1st, I'll try to remember to put in a video up saying like here's the details. But I was thinking maybe it'd be cool to do something like in July, like end of July, do like a weekend in New York State or Connecticut or Western Massachusetts, where people that subscribe to this channel come and camp out or something. But A, that's a little bit too pretentious, and then B, I don't think I have the numbers for that. 6,000 of you spread across the globe. I don't think there's enough people that actually would do that. So I think what's more appropriate is that we find an event that most of us are going to be attending, and that's the MOA National Rally. So if you are interested and willing, stay tuned. And in June, I'll post up some stuff. I'll put some kind of a central page together where people can chat about it, and we'll make it work. If you like the idea, please let me know. If no one comments and says that's a great idea, then I won't do it. Bye.
Oh, dust.